In this video, we will discuss Burmese invasion of the Ahom kingdom, and the top. It is chapter number 4, social science history part, and the topic is importance of Purnananda Burhagohi in the Ahom kingdom. Momaria rebellion was going on, and that time Gaurinath Sinha was the king and Purnananda Burhagohi was his prime minister. Gaurinath Sinha became apprehensive of the Momaria attack and left the kingdom. He fled to Guwahati. Being afraid of the Momaria attack, Gaurinath Sinha left his capital and fled to Guwahati. And he left everything in the hands of Purnananda Burhagohi. During this period, Purnananda Burhagohi run the administration in a best way, in a better way. We cannot say best way, better way. That time, the kingdom needed peace and order. He suppressed, he crushed several rebel groups in the kingdom. He brought peace and order in the society. The economic condition of the people of the kingdom had deteriorated. He tried his best to bring back the lost glory of the Ahom kingdom. But he took some hard decision to bring back peace and order in the society. He became autocratic, and some officials and common people disliked him. During the reign of Kamleshwar Sinha, a large number of people and officials wanted to remove him from power. A conspiracy was hatched against him, but before the conspiracy was put into practice, it was exposed to him, and this revolt, this conspiracy was hatched under the leadership of a man named Panimua. This conspiracy was exposed. This revolt was crushed with iron hand. This way, Purnananda Burhagohi, crushed the revolt against him. Again, after the death of Kamleshwar Sinha, Chandrakanta Sinha became the king. He was a minor. So, the rule, the administrative power, he became a puppet. The king was a puppet, and administration was in the hands of the all-powerful Burhagohi. With the passage of time, Chandrakanta Sinha grew up, and he disliked the autocratic functioning of the Burhagohi. He did not like, he wanted to get rid of him. He had a friend named Satram. He made him, Chandrakanta Sinha made his friend Satram the Chiringia Phukan and gave a seat beside him. This way, Satram Chiringia disliked Purnananda Burhagohi. With the passage of time, he also grew arrogant. He didn't respect anyone in the kingdom. He also wanted to grab power, have power. Therefore, he also started a conspiracy against Purnananda Burhagohi. But this conspiracy, this revolt of Satram Chiringia Phukan was also crushed. Purnananda Burhagohi crushed the revolt of Satram Chiringia, and this way, and all the rebels except Satram Chiringia, as he was a friend of Chandrakanta Sinha, the king of Ahom king, Therefore, he was except Sataram Chiringia, all the rebels were hanged to death. This is the importance of Purnananda Burha Gohai in the Ahom kingdom. And the revolt of Sataram Chiringia Phukan and Panemua revolt. These two revolts, each revolt may carry 3 marks. Either of the two revolt may come. A question, if a question importance of Purnananda Burha Gohai, if this question is not there, then Panemua revolt and revolt of Sataram Chiringia, short notes may be there. Therefore, my dear students, class 9, please prepare it, and if you see it, watch this video on YouTube, like, share and comment. On Facebook also do the same. Thank you. Have a nice time.